nice heaping amount of, I wouldn't say it would be 1/3 horseradish, but I like a lot of horseradish. So if you're like me, you could go 1/3. That's almost 1/3, but start mixing it. All right, that's pretty much could be a cocktail sauce right there. I add a little squirt or two of fresh lime juice, 1 or 2 squirts, and to give it a little kick, boom, a nice amount of hot sauce, Tabasco sauce. You know what? I'll tell you, sometimes I make enough of this stuff and I actually put it right into my Bloody Marys when I'm making my Bloody Marys with the ketchup. People say, the ketchup? Yeah, I put it right in there with the tomato juice and the vodka, little celery stick, and you got Bloody Marys with your shrimp cocktail. Nice brunch starter. So that's it. Look at how easy. That's it. Taste it. That is good. It's good. It comes out great every time. So you can either do this, a couple of things in your fridge you probably have, make it fresh. I say make it fresh. Shrimp cocktail at Expert Village. Come back, I'm going to show you how to start serving it. I am hungry. Are you?